everyone. So I just want to share. Ara naman sa I just want... So hello mga ka-baby girls. So today for the angel tayo. Angel. Kasi naka-white. So basta wala siya. So this week our topic is all about ano yung topic? Directions. Left, right, up, down. So, syempre, yung song dapat na gawin natin is lean forward, lean backwards, to the left, to the right. But my teacher said that one of my friends in the church that it's a little bit hard. So she taught me about the new songs. It's not just some new songs. Pero di bago tayo, pero yung up and down and clap, clap, clap. Up and down and clap, clap, clap. Clap to the left and clap to the right. Turn around and clap, clap, clap. And the clap will be changed into jump, smile, march. So this is it what happened. So I just want to ask what the chords. So Sunday evening I practice. Oh my gosh, I don't know if it is good or what. So just check my chords or whatsoever. So this is it how I sing. Okay, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, go. Up and down and clap, clap, clap. Up and down and clap, clap, clap. Clap to the left and clap to the right. Turn around and clap, clap, clap. My God! Feel ko layo siya sa todo ko, pero bahala na ka mo dyan. So if you want to teach directions, so ganun lang po. Thank you, I can